Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to find the nth term of an AP series using the formula. So the formula find the nth term of an AP series is nth term is denoted by an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Here an is the nth term, a is the first term of the series, n is the number of terms and d is the common difference of two terms. So let's solve few example by using to find the nth term of the series. First example, 30th term of the AP series is 10, 7, 4, so on is. Solution, given that AP series is 10, 7, 4, so on. Here first term a is equal to 10, number of terms n is equal to 30, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. Here a2 is second term, a1 is first term, a2 minus a1 is equal to 7 minus 10 which is equal to minus 3. An is equal to question mark. So we have n as 30 which is the 30th term. We are going to find what will be the 30th term in the series. A is the first term in the series which is 10, n is the number of terms which is 30, d which is common difference is 7 minus 10 which is equal to minus 3. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Put a, n, d value in this formula to find the 30th term of the series, which is a30 is equal to a which is 10 plus n minus 1, n is 30, 30 minus 1 times d, d is common difference which is minus 3. A30 is equal to 10 plus 29 times minus 3, A30 is equal to 10 minus 87 which is equal to minus 77. 30th term of the AP series is minus 77. This is our final answer. Let's see the another example. Second example, 16th term of the AP series is 3, 8, 13, 18, so on is. Solution, given that AP series is 3, 8, 13, 18, so on. Here we have n as 16 which is the 16th term. We are going to find what will be the 16th term in the series. Here a is equal to 3, d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is 8, a1 is 3, 8 minus 3 which is equal to 5. n is equal to 16, an is equal to question mark. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, which is a16 is equal to a which is 3 plus n minus 1, n is 16, 16 minus 1 times d which is 5 is equal to 3 plus 15 times 5 is equal to 3 plus 75. A16 is equal to 78. 16th term of the AP series is 78. This is our final answer.